One of the most favorite party starter of all, which is easily and quickly made at home, which is healthy and delicious also, is chili garlic paneer. So let's get started without wasting time. First, in a mixer, we will put 7 whole Kashmiri red chilies, 8 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon vinegar, salt to taste and little water. Grind well and make a smooth paste. Now in a pan, we will take 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil gets heated, we will add half teaspoon of cumin seed and saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Now in this, we will add half onion chopped fine and saute until golden brown. Now add prepared garlic sauce and saute until oil separates from garlic sauce. Now we will add 200 grams cut cubes of cottage cheese and saute for 3 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of chopped coriander leaves. Tasty and delicious chili garlic paneer is ready to serve. If you have liked my recipe and if you have not already subscribed, don't forget to click the subscribe button on this side, like it and share it with your friends and relatives. The link of my other recipes are displayed on this side for you to click and see. I will be back soon with many more interesting and tasty recipes. Thank you for watching Nalini Ki Rasoi.